I wasn't even recording. We didn't catch anything, but we're in this nice little cove. So we're going back to the Shad Nasty on an underspin. I believe it's a 1/2 ounce. Sitting in just about 11 foot of water, or 11.5 foot of water. Got one. That's a good one. Yes! I think I got me a PB. Yeah. Oh yeah, PB. PB for sure. On that underspin. Look at that, you guys. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Woo. Come on, buddy. You're all right. I got you. I got you. Oh yeah. He's only 18, but that is definitely a 5-pounder, 6-pounder. I don't know, maybe not. He's only 18. Underspin. Yeah. Oh, you guys can see he's only 3 pounds, 8 ounces. I got 3 pound, 4 ounce earlier. That's biggest fish of the year, or no? I got one 18.25 at Eastman. Thank you so much, big girl or big guy. Ooh. Yeah. Smell your fingers. Damn. I'm super fishy over here, dude. Big one too. Got one. Oh yeah. Stay down, buddy. A nice large mouth. That's a good one. Oh, we're gonna use our Fish USA pliers, you guys. I love these pliers. Such a great great quality plier. Makes everything so easy. Doesn't freak out. So we're still doing the April State Challenge. So we're gonna go ahead and put this guy on there. Ooh, 15. Go ahead. I think we're going to be able to get it. Look at that one, you guys. Beautiful fish. Thanks, buddy. Get a nice release on him. Back to your shallows, buddy. This might be our PB smallmouth. Yes. Nice one. We didn't bring our smallmouth. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Got one. There we go. Yes. Look at that, Shad Nasty does it again. Woo, baby. Nice little largemouth. We'll get 14 and a half out of him. Thanks, little buddy. 14 and a half, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, thanks, buddy. 14 and a half. You do? Okay. All right, Budsky. You too, man. Drive safe, huh? I'll let you know when I leave. Give me your juju, dog.
Hopefully you get another one. More. You're just dragging it like you said?
Yep.
All right, buddy.
All right, buddy. 14 and a half. Got another one. Got another one, Gabe. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, dude. Oh my God. Look at that fucking salmon. Gabe, come here. It's a trout, I think. It's massive. Woo! Relax there, buddy. Relax, calm down. I think that is a salmon. I don't have a cooler though. That's my PB trout. I don't want to touch him too much. Massive, dude.
Yeah, we got dinner. Nice.
Massive trout, dude. Probably, I don't want to measure him or touch him because I want him to survive. But look at that. That's my personal best rainbow trout right there.
Nice. Good job. Pick it up. Nice. Bet you that has pink meat inside of it.
Come on, buddy. Go get a picture. Woo!
Nice. Dude, that's a
Ooh. Sorry, buddy.
You good? Oh, he's on the side a little bit.
Oh, come on.
You slow shot.
You okay? Oh, he's gone.
Okay, good. Drop it when you hit the water.
Yeah. I'm sorry, buddy. PB trout.
See? You measured them.
I didn't want to.
See, that thing was 20.
That was like 22, 23.
I want to go fish around by the
Okay. Yeah, I'm on a school of them right now.
don't leave. I'll hit you up if I take off.
All right.
Good job, man.
Thank you, guys.
J.W.H.OUTDOORS back.
Yeah.